In this video, I'll show you how to download Roblox on a MacBook Air in 2025. Now you can see on the regular Roblox website, you have a few options, but there is no one for Mac. So what you want to do is search for download Roblox. Then go to roblox.com/download, and then it will recognize the device you are on. So then you can click download Mac app, and once you click on that, a download will start. Then simply go and open up that download and then double click to install. So double click on the Roblox logo and then click open. Now it's installing Roblox. And then now you can see Roblox has been installed, and now I can just sign in or create an account and use Roblox on my MacBook. So now you know how to download Roblox on your MacBook in 2025. So now you know how to install Roblox on your MacBook Air in 2025. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.